You see? Brown bear. The brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. And look, and then you push it, and there's a red bird. Yeah. You slide it back, and there's the red bird. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Quack, 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 quack. There's the duck. And you slide it back. And then yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. And there's the blue horse. And then, whoops, missed a page. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. You like the duck? Duck, quack, 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 quack. You know ducks, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, just slide it. There's the blue horse. Slide it back and forth. You have to practice that a little bit. And there's the blue horse, and he sees a green frog. Look, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. These will get looser as we play. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Is the purple cat? Meow. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. There's the white dog, he's like Fletcher. Woof, woof, woof. Dog, White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. There's the sheep. Bah, bah.